What's going on, guys? Today we smacked the freaking W, baby. We smacked the W. First one on the XFA, as you guys see in the top, $550. Risked around 500. So very nice trade. About a 1-to-1. And let's just hop right into this freaking analysis. But of course, Wi-Fi being sluggish as hell. But yeah, very good trade. I haven't taken a trade in like over a week because last week I only, as you know, 4th of July, so 2 days off because of that. And the first 3 days I just got the XFA. I was kind of timid. With taking a trade, but today I pulled the bullet. I actually ended up taking the trade, and yeah, shit played out for your boy. Shit played out. Feeling really good because it was literally a perfect trade, right? So let's hop right into the hard time frames first. As you guys see, it's kind of messy right now. It's kind of messy. On the 4-hour and on the hourly and on the daily, we're bullish. Simply, we're bullish. You see, we're trending up, and I see we react off of this 4-hour gap right here. So my bias, honestly, for today is all of these highs. This high, this high, this high, and then finally that high. But we actually ended up catching a short. I know, bruh. I know. But this short was still a very decent trade because, as you guys see, market opens around here. We displaced down breaking structure, creating a bearish 5-minute fair value gap. And at this point, like, what is the draw? There's no imbalance. There's no other target. Like price breaking structure and displacing like this on the 5-minute. That's price telling me that there's something it's trying to go for. And I just took that hint and I made the executive decision that this low is the target for right now. For this, you know what I mean? This price leg. And I just wanted to catch this move. As you guys see, price is making this nice flip, and I think we honestly are going to take out these highs, and I honestly might catch something here because this looks very clean, bro. Very clean. Let's see if we can get an entry. Even though I'm done for the day, this is a very nice trade because I think these highs are also getting hit 100%. But let's just go over this trade, right? So we see price displaced, we see it creating for value gap. We have our target being this low, and on the hourly, it's this low inside of this for value gap. Like, there's nowhere else for price to go. There's nowhere else it could go. Like, I didn't know where else it would go. So I was like, all right. So we see price react off this fair value gap on the 5-minute. Boom to boom, right there. We see it tap in a bunch of times, but like I said, I want to see a nice displacement. I want to be convinced fully that this is a good setup. And after, as you see, we sweep out this internal high. We displace down, inversing this beautiful 5-minute bullish gap. Stop around there, take profit at these lows, and a beautiful 1 to 1.3 R trade. I got filled a little lower about here, so it's a 1.1, but doesn't matter. Very decent trade. Dude, there are so many flies in this garage, bro. Holy fuck. Holy tits, man. It's disgusting, dude. Fucking flies everywhere, bro. But as you guys see, we swept that low and we're making a very nice flip up. And honestly, like, I wouldn't even be opposed to taking some shit like this, bro. If the risk to reward was better, I would take it straight off this 5-minute flip, to be honest. But I ain't doing that. I'm gonna wait for some. Holy shit, dude! I can't focus these fucking flies. But I'm gonna wait for some sort of retracement or something. Dude, oh my god! I'm gonna fucking rage. But yeah, we just broke structure very nicely on this 5-minute. Low-key, should I swing this? Boom to boom. That's a very nice trade, bro. Because you see on the 4-hour, we react off this gap. There's no way we're coming down take out this low, dude. There's just no way. There's no fucking way, bro. And like the volume we're making on this move here, come on. To 73. I really think we're gonna take out these levels here. I need to wait for a nice retrace though. This is turning into a live trade, boys, but we have till 11, so I gotta be careful. Live trading video. It's fucking live. Oh, look at that flip though. That's fucking nice.
Cap on. Let's go to the He knows. No, I'm not getting.
Dude, no way we're gonna rip to this fucking high without giving me a retrace, bro. This is nice. On ES, what are we doing? ES is low-key the more bullish pair. But fuck ES. Yeah, we going MNQ. Is there not like a zapper or some shit over here? Kills these bugs. I might risk 300 just so I can, worst comes to worst, I can still get a winning day out of today, you know? I think that's what the smart move should be. And then just stack up another win. I gotta wait. I gotta see a retrace. There's no way we just bust through. Ideally, I want to see something like this into a 5-minute gap and then take that leg to this high. These could be nice break-even points right here. These equal highs up here. We got 20 minutes, bro. 20 minutes. Vibes are high, dude. This is a very good day for me. Oh, look at this freaking retrace. into this gap, perhaps. Is there like a 2 minute we're going into, or 3 minute? Nah, it's gotta be this 5. Alright, we need price to retrace, dude. What are we doing here? Beautiful gap forming. We can use this as a nice entry signal here. But we need to get a retrace, a further retrace. This isn't good enough because we have this gap right here. We have to tap the gap. We have to. Will this be it right here? So 50, 300. 50. That was stupid as hell. Do 5 cons on this. I don't know. I feel like we want to retrace a little deeper. No? Like we're not getting the strongest displacement out of this 5 minute gap. Like I want to see a nice like big body, a fucking big body candle. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't know, I low-key don't want to take another trade today. I'd be kind of pissed. But it's such a good setup. This is such a good setup. These highs are freaking free, man. Free. There we go. That's nice. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright. Alright, bro. Alright, dude. What the fuck happened here? 10:45. What the fuck, bro? I mean, I don't know what I would, how I would trade this now. That's such a huge candle, but of course it's gonna. We still might see another reversal out of here. $10.46. Let's see how this bullish candle, what we do with this. We might enter off this next candle right here, boys. Ooh, we're not getting that bullishness that I. That's a very nice bullish wick out of this 5-minute gap. All I need is one green, nice displacing candle, and I'm in this bit. I'm in this bit. But I need a nice candle. I'm not gonna enter on some bullshit, dude. That's not what I want to see. I need to see big dick candles. Big bodied shit. We didn't take out the draw on this. Dude, London high. Come on, dude. We're taking that shit out, bro. Come on, bro. Rock your body. Dude, why are we not getting... I mean, it's gonna come eventually. It just... This isn't like a good sign, because if we were really bullish, we would have seen a nice immediate boom. Wick, right out of the wick, we see a nice displacing candle. Not this chop around here. Wow. Powell's probably bottom ticking this off this wick right now. You already know. If you guys know who Powell is, that's the kind of shit he pulls. Damn, I might just call it, dude. I don't want to fucking lose money on some bullshit. But this is such a nice trade out of this 5-minute gap. We're so bullish on higher time frames too. But I wonder what caused this 1045 candle. Do we have some news and shit? $10.45. We got nothing going on. That's weird a little bit. What the hell is that? Yeah, I don't know. We're not getting nice reaction. I would need to see a huge big body green candle here. Absolutely massive. We got 10 minutes. It's still this down move, this retrace, still isn't as fat as this initial push higher. On the 5-minute, what are we looking like? We chill. If we inverse this 5-minute bullish gap though, that's for sure done for the day. I just think we're gonna hold it and we're gonna see a big body close. Uh-oh. Here we go. Uh-oh. Change in state delivery. No shot, dude. 30 point stop, 65, yeah. Seems legit. We're getting close to the end of my session, and we're about to inverse this gap. Yeah, I'm gonna lock out here. Yeah, this ain't happening. But as you guys see, I had my idea, and we just didn't see the reactions we wanted, and that's it. We avoided a loss there. But that'll do it for this video. See you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you caught some moves today.